Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Samar Global. Make sure you subscribe and like for our new tech review and updates on technology. Okay, today we are going to look on DJI drone, the Mavic Mini drone. DJI's newest drone is also the smallest, lightest one the company's ever made. It's so small and light, in fact, that buyers won't have to register it with the Federal Aviation Administration, and now it's ready to ship on 11th. The drone will be sold for $399 with a remote controller, one battery, and a set of extra propellers, or in one of the DJI's Fly More combo packs, which cost around $499 and includes propeller guards, 3 batteries, and a battery charging hub, a carrying case, a controller, and 3 sets of extra propellers. Despite the relatively low price tag, the Mavic Mini features a lot of the best aspects of DJI's most expensive drones. We know them. It's basically as small as the 2017 DJI Spark, but the Mavic liner's foldable legs make it even more portable. It weighs just 249 grams, which is just 1 gram under the weight cutoff for FAA registration. DJI did collaborate with Intel on one of the most smaller drones in 2018. The Mavic Mini also shares a lot of software features with the DJI's other drones, like creative shooting modes and the ability to automatically return to the takeoff spot, though it uses another new app. The Mavic Mini, perhaps due to its lightweight design, it also skimped on battery life. DJI estimates 30 minutes of flight time per battery. One of the only trade-offs with the Mavic Mini is that it can't shoot 4K footage. Otherwise, the Mavic Mini should be a capable tool for photographers and videographers. The drone's camera uses a half 3-inch sensor that can shoot up to 2.7K footage at 30 frames per second, 1080 footage up to 60 frames per second, and 12 megapixel photos. Like all of the DJI's other consumer drones saved for the Spark, the camera is stabilized and with 3-axis gimbal that should help generate smooth footage in low wind conditions. In one other trade-off, the Mavic Mini has fewer sensors than the DJI's other drones, meaning it may be more prone to crashes. Ground-facing sensors will help with low hovering and soft landing, but it's up to the pilots not to fly the Mavic Mini sideways into a tree, wall, or any other object. This one place where, while similar in size, the heavier, more sensor-laden DJI Spark prevails. Despite being light, the Mavic Mini felt stable, precise during a brief test flight earlier this week. The price point, weight, and ability to dodge FAA registration are sure to make the Mavic Mini look like a very attractive product for both first-time and experienced drone pilots. DJI warns in the Mavic Mini press release that drone pilots must always understand and follow local law and regulations, and it says it's built in safety features like altitude limiting and educational tools will help keep new pilots from flying dangerously.